And so at this time in the service, we enter that beautiful healing vibration that is green. And we close our eyes, we center ourselves, we raise our awareness to the higher mind, that Christed altar where the soul star of your expression is. And in that expression this morning, we begin by taking a deep breath in. And we let that breath out with all of our worries, our concerns. Mother Earth receives. Again, deep breath in. And let that breath out fully to Mother Earth, who neutralizes, harmonizes, balances the energies that she has received. And in this time together as one family of brothers and sisters in the harmony of healing, we allow our light to flood and to fill the space, wall to wall. And in every corner and every area in this room are your loved ones, guides, and teachers from the higher realms of life, standing in support, standing in inspiration, encouragement, standing in presence, witnessing and watching the beautiful works of the Metaphysical Chapel, standing and witnessing and watching the works of you as an infinite soul star in this space. And in this moment of God's grace and goodness that is present because of this family, we know that we enter this beautiful vibration at this time of year, in that wonderful vibration of St. Patrick. And St. Patrick worked in the vibration of the Christed consciousness such that we are to express our love, to have full faith in the teachings of the prophet, of the ascended master we call Brother Jesus. St. Patrick also taught charity to others, to orphans, to children, to widows, to your neighbors. And I find it very interesting that although that religion is 2,000 years old, the prophet Jesus simply brought forward what was already being put forward into all other world religions. And St. Patrick brought that forward again, another wave of faith and love and charity. And here in modern day, since 1950s, divine metaphysics has continued to carry the torch of faith and love and charity. As we stepped out of the religion of spiritualism and carried our own torch of truth, our own teachings, our own presence with Spirit at our side. And as we sit here in this vibration of St. Patrick, I want you to think about those principles: faith, love, and charity. Your light has many refractions, aspects to it, frequencies or colors to it. When we put them all together, it is white. When we shine them separately, they're every color of the rainbow. Some are stronger, some are weaker, but they create a beautiful white sacred light. And in knowing this, so we also have the potentials to create a purpose in our life. We have the potentials to shine in different frequencies to all of those who receive us through the eyes, through the Spirit, through the very presence of the people that walk by? What frequency do you shine their way? Do you stand strong in your faith of divine metaphysics? Do you share our teachings? Do you use them as healing balm upon their spirit whenever they struggle, when they are alone, or do you walk by? When the people come onto your path, do you share your love with them, or do you hide it within, selfishly for yourself? When the people walk by, do you open your door and bring them food? Do you serve them? Do you bring food to this church to serve this pantry? Or do you selfishly keep it at home? We must be fully responsible for our vibration, because our vibration must be one of love, of faith, and of charity. The very core of everything I am saying, this is healing. This is the healing balm that I wish you to pour upon your spirit this morning. If you have not been perfect, it's okay, neither have I. I give you permission to not be perfect. But I challenge you to do better. I ask you to pour that healing balm upon your spirit, and with every breath I ask you to breathe the light of God's goodness and grace into your spirit, so that when that person walks across your path and they appear lonely, that you will open your heart and you will shine your love that you have received here today from my divine words. From the spirit of my ministry, do you receive what I give today? And do you share it with the people on your path? Selflessly or selfishly? Selflessly give it in abundance. Radiate pink, beautiful love, the vibration of the pink quartz. Share your love, share your heart with these individuals. Open your door, feed them, comfort them, teach them, heal them, place your hand upon them. If they have left your presence, there is nothing to stop you from taking a breath, building your light and sending your healing at a distance to that soul who has crossed the horizon, who has turned the corner out of your sight. They are not gone. They are still there. What's stopping you from being the greatness that Jesus and that all the prophets say you are? Know ye not ye are gods. Embody these words, just as I embody these words every day. Pour yourself into your own ministry, the ministry of love, of faith, and of charity. Do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Be the healing balm that is squeezed from the honeycomb of your body temple, and give it abundantly to all of those who open their hands. Karmically, you grow rapidly from service to others. It's so simple. It's so effortlessly. It is easier to open the hand than it is to hold it tight. With every breath, open your spirit. Raise your beautiful vibrational white light, that sacred Christed consciousness. With every word, with every thought, with every action, give it away 100% to all of those who ask. Give it away. Because when you allow God to express through you fully, you allow God to manifest on earth into this dimension, into this part of the universe, powerfully, abundantly, infinitely. We are the conduits for God's expression into this reality. That's how important you are. You take breath every day because of your purpose. And at the very core of it all, it is healing. To serve those around you. It's so easy. Open your heart and give. Open your mind and receive. Open your spirit and just be. Just be. just be the light. And as we stand in God's grace in this very space we have created, this sacred sanctuary of sisters and brothers, this sacred space of healing, of change and transformation, we will take this energy with us. We will embody it. We will walk forward towards the light of truth. We will walk into this world shining examples of divine metaphysicians. We will be the change we wish to see in this world. It starts here at the Metaphysical Chapel, transforming one life at a time. It can be nothing but that, nothing less. And as we stand in this truth, we begin to pull ourselves back into the sanctuary. Take that deep centering breath. Deep breath in. Let that breath out, fully present in your body temple, moving your fingers, your toes. And open those beautiful eyes. Welcome back, friends. Welcome back.